Can I use uninsured motorist coverage if I am at fault in the accident? Have you ever wondered what happens to your insurance coverage if you are at fault in an accident? Specifically, can you use uninsured motorist coverage in that situation? Let's break it down. Uninsured motorist coverage is designed to protect you when you are involved in an accident with a driver who either has no insurance or does not have enough insurance to cover the damages. This coverage is not meant for situations where you are responsible for the accident. If you are at fault, uninsured motorist coverage does not apply. Instead, your own liability coverage would kick in to cover any damages or injuries you cause to others. This means that if you are the one responsible for the accident, you will need to rely on your liability insurance to handle those costs. There are two main types of uninsured motorist coverage: uninsured motorist bodily injury and uninsured motorist property damage. Uninsured motorist bodily injury helps pay for medical expenses, lost wages, and other injury-related costs for you and your passengers if you are hit by an uninsured or underinsured driver. On the other hand, uninsured motorist property damage covers damage to your vehicle in similar circumstances. So, if you find yourself at fault in an accident, your collision coverage will be the relevant part of your policy for vehicle repairs. Your liability coverage will handle any damages or injuries you cause to others. Uninsured motorist coverage simply does not come into play when you are the one at fault. It is important to check your policy details and understand your state laws, as coverage options and requirements can vary. Knowing the distinctions between these types of coverage helps you make informed decisions about your car insurance. It ensures you have the right protection for different situations on the road.